Now the sneaker we are going to talk about today would have costed you around 2.3 to 2.5 lakhs if you would have bought it few months back. The Jordan brand has dropped an identical pair, except there are two changes. Hey guys, I'm the Redefine and today we'll be talking about Air Jordan 1 Satin Bred. In 2016, Jordan brand dropped the same pair in full-size run, but they were limited to only 501 pairs and each shoe was numbered, and they currently cost around 2.3 to 2.5 lakhs. And now in 2023, we have these which retail around 17 to 18,000 rupees and are not going for a lot in the aftermarket and are available around retail. But unfortunately for a lot of people, these only come in women's sizing. So basically these are only available till UK 9.5. There are no extended sizes. Now starting from the unboxing, as this is a women's release, these come in red box with black branding, and as we unbox the pair, we have a black tote bag which has a red Jordan logo. Now this is a small bag and can only fit the pair, not the whole box. And then we finally have the shoes. Now this isn't the first colorway which has received the satin treatment. There was Satin Royal which were released in 2017, Satin Charted Backboard which were released in 2018, Satin Black Toe which were released in 2019, and now these Satin Breds in 2023. Now when I was making my mind whether to buy these or not, I watched some reviews, and based on those reviews, the toe box creases very easily. And since we are talking about the toe box has no perforation holes, which almost every leather Air Jordan 1 has. Now the whole shoe is made up of this nylon material and there are no other materials used on the pair. And the satin is very soft and silky to touch, but also it's fragile and would get dirty a lot faster. Now coming to the side, the wingman logo is an embroidery instead of a debossed logo which we generally have on leather Jordans. The Nike swoosh also has embroidery on the edges. Now I feel that the tongue is a little bit thicker than normal Air Jordan 1s, and it is also made up of the same material as a shoe. The sock liner is also made up of same material as a shoe, and I would say that this is also a bit thicker than normal Air Jordan 1s. Now the pair comes with two sets of laces, the black ones which are already on the shoes and the red one which is in this small cardboard box. Now both the set of laces come with these middle eyelets which have a Jordan logo wrapping around them. Now the eyelets have these middle rings, and I suppose these are used to save the satin material from getting ruined because of the whole tightening or losing the laces while wearing or removing the pair. Now in hand, the color of the pair looks a little different as compared to the pictures. In the pictures, the red looks way too bright, but it's a little desaturated. Now let's see some on-feet clips. Now finally, let's see how I would style them.